Welcome to the Wedding School. Now I'm so excited today because I am talking to two dynamic sisters, Maria and Penny, about their venue, the Joinery. Now the Joinery is a designer's dream. It's a blank canvas, it's warehouse, industrial style, and you can really create the wedding of your dreams here. So today we're going to sit down with them and chat to them about their motivation for creating the Joinery and what sets them apart. So I can't wait to get started.
Hi, I'm Maria from the Joinery, and this is my sister Penny.
We are the owner and operators of the Joinery at West End. So the motivation to start the Joinery goes back to when our parents were in the hospitality industry for the last 30 years, and they had a corporate catering company and were doing lots of functions off-site at people's houses, at different other venues and function spaces, and then clients kept asking us to have, why can't you do something like this, and why don't you have your own? And so then after a long journey and 5 years of searching for the right space, we walked into this warehouse and we just knew that this was it. Yeah, this was going to be
our space.
Our space. I think what they love is, first they love the uninterrupted space. It's the 10-metre ceilings, the uninterrupted space that they just see this blank canvas that they can create their own dreams on, their own visions, their own event. They see the connection that they make with Maria and myself, and that we're passionate about making their event the best possible event it can be for them and making it special for them. And it's not something that you get at other, restaurants or spaces, because they get us.
They get us, yeah. And it becomes a personal journey. I'm pretty much the first person they meet and the last person they see at the end of the night. So most couples these days generally tend to email, so I will respond pretty much straight away, and everyone always comments how swiftly we respond, and I invite them to come and view the venue and have a chat before we start venue design, because we aren't a cookie cutter venue. We custom design each event for each individual client, and we just chat with what type of looks they're after and what they anticipate for their wedding reception to be.
Here is more about what the client or what the couple want and how they envisage their day to be, because it's their wedding day, and we help them on that journey to create that that perfect day, that perfect look, the menu, the food that they wanted to eat, and the wine that they wanted to drink. So
yeah,
being BYO also helps that, because they can design their own wine list.
Catering at the Joinery at the moment is not the traditional alternate drop entree and main meal and cake served for dessert. I tend to steer couples away from serving cake as a plated dessert, because we do these amazing dessert stations where your wedding cake can be integrated into the dessert station, and it gives people more variety.
Yeah.
My favourite and most recent proposal menu we've prepared for a client is where they're having their entree as a stand-up fork dish for something different. Yes, it is possible to host a ceremony and reception in the Joinery, a nice intimate ceremony followed by a reception. We would be more than happy to accommodate.
Seeing the space filled with people and filled with love, that's why we created the space, for people to connect and to celebrate and come together.